We are getting lots of questions about the stimulus bill and what it means for your bank account. One of the most common questions, how will this impact our taxes come next year? Jason Puckett set out to verify.
Viewer Lindy Horowitz sent us this question. Quote, is the stimulus check in advance for taxes 2020? We've also received a number of emails wondering if you have to pay taxes on the stimulus checks. So that's what we're verifying. Are the stimulus checks in advance of credit for 2020 taxes, and do you have to pay taxes on them? Our sources are the CARES Act itself and the IRS and U.S. Department of Treasury, along with documentation from Senator Dianne Feinstein. So quick recap. The CARES Act, which passed in late March, includes stimulus money for multiple businesses and a large chunk to help American taxpayers. The bill uses your 2018 or 2019 tax returns to determine if you qualify for a payment based on your income. It basically boils down to this. Adults who filed taxes get $1,200 each, and their qualifying children get $500. If your adjusted gross income is over $75,000 individually, or $150,000 for joint filings, the amount of that credit decreases up until $99,000 for an individual and $198,000 for a joint filing. Past that, no checks. Okay, so those are the numbers. The big question though, are we gonna have to pay that back? No. The Act itself calls these a, quote, advance refund. That's a tax credit they're paying you now. This credit will come into play when you file your taxes in 2020. If you're eligible for a refund based on your tax return, the stimulus credit you received would be deducted from that amount. If your refund is less than the credit or you owe money, you won't be required to pay that back. So yes, we can verify the checks are an advance credit on our 2020 taxes. The government is essentially giving us refunds for the taxes we will pay in 2020. And since it's money from our taxes, you don't have to pay it back. The government's providing an early refund here. Senator Feinstein's office also confirmed that since it's a tax credit, we don't pay additional taxes on the money. If you've got more questions like this, send us an email.